Come closer. What I'm going to say might shock you. The prairies aren't flat. If you think about it, building roads where it's flat makes the most sense. So if you've ever traveled through the prairies on a major highway, you've probably driven through extremely flat lands. So you might have the mistaken idea that the prairies are flat. Not wrong, just mistaken. Because the reality is, when you get off the main roads, the scenery gets a whole lot better. Stick with me and I'll take you there.
As a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. So offshore, playful and free, without a care in the world. I was one rich little girl, daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back, all the way back to them days, running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot. No mistake ever kept me late. We spent summers catching fireflies and winters on our skates. One big smile across my face. We used to dance our way to church on Sundays. Mama set the pace. Daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back, all the way back to them days, running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot.
As you can see, the prairies aren't all that flat. Just click the link to join me on another adventure.